Hello there! Let's start with the first lesson of the course. This time, we'll take the easiest approach to mining. And in the next video, I'll cover an advanced way of mining which will allow us to get better results and at the same time give us manual control so we are able to overcome certain issues that we will encounter with our hardware. So first step is to get a wallet. And for this example, let's go and let's get ourselves Metamask, which we will find in metamask.io. All we have to do is click download and then install the extension on our browser. This will give us a wallet which looks very similar to this. By default, you are going to have the Ethereum network, and we are going to change that by adding the Binance Smart Chain to Metamask. So we open an article titled Connecting Metamask to the Binance Smart Chain. You can find it on Google, and then you will follow all the instructions. We scroll down until we find the details for the mainnet. So we're going to open Metamask, we're going to go to Settings, Add Network, and complete the information requested by copying and pasting the mainnet details. All the details go here. Then click Save. Once linked, we can change our network to the Smart Chain network and it will look similar to this. You will not see the Shiba Inu token in your Metamask because we have to import the Shiba contract to get the token showing on our wallet. So we need to go to bscscan.com, we need to find the token contract, and then we can import that token into Metamask. You will go to bscscan.com, under tokens, tokens by market cap, then scroll down, you find Shiba Inu, and you copy this contract. Now, you will go back to Metamask, you will click Import Tokens, put the details, and click Save. At this point, we are done with the first part, because we have a wallet and a public address for our Shiba Inu coin. Now, let's head over to unminable.com, click Download, and get the file on the left, which is the MFI version. At this point, you will probably get a warning by Windows Defender. All we need to do is place an exclusion on the folder we are going to download the file to. So please follow the steps on the screen to create your exclusion. We navigate to Windows Security. We find Virus and Threat Protection. We go down to Manage Settings. We find Exclusions. And we add a folder. You should download the file and get a file that is looking similar to this. Run this file as an administrator. If you want to mine using CPU and GPU at the same time, run the program twice. Now we're going to select CPU, and if our hardware, our computer has a GPU, we are going to select GPU. We click Next, and then we will enter the details. So we need the coin that we are mining, the address that is coming from, in this case, Metamask, and the code that will allow us to drop the pool fee from 1% to 0.75%. Click Start. For the CPU, the process will take only a few minutes. Now, let's go and check the settings. We need to make sure that our mining intensity is set to high. We name the worker properly, in this case CPU. We have our code, and then we can click Save and Restart. For GPU, we go to the settings, and we need to make sure that if our card has 4 GB of memory, we select ETC hash. If our card has 8 GB of memory, we select ET hash. We name our worker properly, we select our intensity as high, and we make sure the code is in the box. We click Save and Restart. At this point, if there are no errors showing in the logs, we should be mining. So you will find if there is any error here. Okay. And now you are mining. So congratulations. Please get back to me if you have questions or any errors. You can also contact me in Discord for setup and troubleshooting, and the support instructions will be attached to the course. I'll see you on the next video.